So today, you guys, I am bringing you guys some meatloaf. Yes. So in this meatloaf, you guys, wait 1 minute. Okay, so in this meatloaf, we're going to add some bell peppers, some onions, some breadcrumbs, plain. We're going to add some parsley flakes, garlic powder, dash seasoning. That's the herb, salt-free. Larry seasoning. Ground black pepper. And we're going to add some soy sauce. And our topping will be made with ketchup and tomato paste. We also have an egg. Let me break that on up. And we got some milk, you guys. Yes. So how's all of my cousins doing? Good. That's enough to start off with. That is so good, you guys. If you're new to this channel, thank you. And if you're a rider, thanks once again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. Yes. Now, you know, you guys, I don't know what it is, but I'm not good at measuring things. I just pretty much eyeball. I've been cooking so long till I pretty much eyeballs it. So forgive me if I don't give proper measurement, because this was 3 pounds of ground beef. And I just like to, you know, just add as I go. You know. I stick a little more of that. And we're going to add some of this. Not all of it. There we go. That's enough. And we're going to add a little milk. Then we're going to get right on in there. You want to mix this on up and get it right where you need it to be. Yes. I haven't had meatloaf in years. But I decided I want me some meatloaf. But we're going to put another egg in here. Because your girl, I think it needs another egg in there. Now, actually, these are medium eggs I'm dealing with. They're medium eggs. So, yeah. You want to make sure that it has a consistency. Did I say that right? I don't know. But anyway, follow me. Because like I said, I'm no pro in the kitchen. But I like to cook. But you want to make sure it's not too loose, but not too dry. Because I want some juicy. That's why I don't like wearing gloves, you guys. But I don't want to get this meat between my nails. I think I'm straightening up the glove more than I am anything else. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and every one, you guys. I think I pretty much got it where I need it. Let me know if you're a tomato paste or ketchup or whatever topping. You know, some people use barbecue sauce. But what type of topping do you like? Let's make sure that everything is in there. You guys, I think we pretty much got it where we need it. And that's pretty much it. So you guys, give me a moment. This requires new and clean gloves. So give me a moment. Okay, guys, we're finna get ready and transport my meatloaf over in this dish. Okay. There we go. Let's put that in the sink. So, yes, this is a perfect fit too. Didn't have to do much of nothing. I'm sorry if I'm shaking this. If you feel like the camera is shaking, I'm sorry. So yeah, we got the meatloaf over in there. Doesn't that look delicious? So, you guys, that's enough of my gloves. So what your girl is going to do is she's going to sprinkle just a little seasoning. Just to be on the safe side. Okay. And a little parsley. And this is going to go in the oven for approximately an hour, maybe an hour and a half at most. It's 3 pounds. But periodically I will be checking on it because in between cooking, that's where the topping comes in at. So yeah, stay tuned. You guys, this is what we're looking like so far. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer it out of here into this pan. So yeah, we'll be right back. So we're back, you guys. So I done transferred it, let it cook a little more. So yeah, let's go and get into cutting this meatloaf. Now I don't know about you guys. Some people cut into the middle. I'm an end kind of girl. Yeah, I let it cool. Let's see. There we go. You guys, look at that. Oh my God. Delicious. Well, I don't think I need it. I'll just cut it. Just in case. I was trying not to put my nails on it. So you guys can see the inside. Look at there. Oh my God. You guys. That meatloaf is everything. So yeah, your girl is gonna test it out. Like I say, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I would love to have you. Like I said, I'm an any type of girl. I can't even complete a sentence. Look at this. This is just a sampler plate. You guys have some. So yeah, let's see. You guys, I got some cauliflower mash. Some sauteed spinach. And some asparagus. You guys. Oh, that asparagus, I took it up a notch. I got some crushed peppers on it. You guys see? Mm, mm, mm. If you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below so I know where to go. And you guys, please check out my other cooking video. This meatloaf got me speechless. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is so delicious. Take one more look at it. You go. Mm, mm, mm.